In this video, I will compare Squarespace and Shopify to help you decide which website builder is the best fit for your business. Whether you're starting an e-commerce store, a personal website, or a portfolio, I will break down the features, pricing, and ease of use of both platforms. So let's start off with the key differences. Squarespace is a website builder with e-commerce features, ideal for creatives, bloggers, and small businesses. While Shopify, on the other hand, is a dedicated e-commerce platform built for selling products online and scaling a business. Let's move on to the ease of use. While Squarespace is a simple drag and drop editor, it is great for beautiful websites with minimal effort, a lot of good templates, and Shopify, on the other hand, is focused on online selling with a dashboard designed for managing products, orders, and inventory. And let's move on to the pricing and costs. Squarespace already starts at $16 a month for a basic website, but e-commerce plans start at $27 a month. There are often discount codes being given at Squarespace, which you can use at checkout to get nice discounts, so be aware of that. And let's move on to the Shopify pricing. So at Shopify, you can get started for free by clicking on the link in the description. When you click on this link, you will get an extended trial for 90 days, and after that you can pay €1 or $1 a month for another 3 months. But let's look into the plans that Shopify is offering. So there are 4 plans: the basic, Shopify, advanced, and plus. And the basic one is already starting at $25 a month. The one that's for small themes is starting at $70 a month. And then the more advanced is going towards the $300 and even plus for $2.3K a month. So the basic one is already good to start out. But of course, you can also start with the free link in the description to get the free trial to see if Shopify is something for you. And then you can already get started for €25 a month. And this is great to start off. So I would say that Shopify is the best for serious online sellers who want a powerful platform with scalability, marketing tools, and integrations. And Squarespace is best for creatives, bloggers, and service-based businesses that need a professional-looking site with some e-commerce features. And let's make a final verdict. So if your focus is on design, content, and a beautiful website with light e-commerce needs, Squarespace is a solid choice. But if your priority is selling products and running an online store, Shopify is the better platform. So let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.